A lot of designers finish a packaging project and hand over a flat design file. But clients never buy the flat file. They buy what it looks like as an actual product. In this video, you'll learn how to wrap your design onto a bottle in Photoshop and build a packaging mockup that looks completely real. Start by preparing a base image. Grab the Object Selection tool and switch the mode from rectangle to lasso. Click the bottle. Then press Ctrl or Command+J to duplicate it. This standalone bottle layer will be the boundary for your packaging in a moment. Next, create a new rectangle. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. When the design changes later, you just double-click and swap it in without rebuilding a thing. Double-click the rectangle layer. Drag the packaging artwork in. Hide the white layer. Press Ctrl or Command+S to save. Go back to the original file. Roughly position it first. Click the warp button. Adjust the perspective to match the shape of the bottle. Don't worry if it goes past the bottle. We'll handle that in a moment. Once it looks right, press Ctrl or Command plus Alt or Option plus G to create a clipping mask. Everything outside the bottle snaps into the bottle shape automatically. Double-click the rectangle layer to open Layer Style. Hold Alt or Option and split the sliders at both ends of the underlying layer into halves. This feature is called Blend Diff, and it's the soul of this whole technique. Adjust the control points and the bottle's original highlights and shadows come back through the packaging, little by little. Splitting the sliders gives you a smooth transition instead of a hard cutoff. And just like that, the packaging is wrapped around the bottle. Remember, pasting it on is just compositing. It only looks real when the light comes back through. So next time you pitch, don't make the client imagine it. Show them the finished product